Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking, and in this video we are going to examine file feature number 4, Languages for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. To access this feature, I need to left-click on File and scroll down to Language. From here, I can set the language of my document to whichever languages Google has preloaded into their system. So, for example, if I change my default language from English of the United States to Espanol and then type a word in Espanol or Spanish, the word would appear as correctly spelled. If I go back to language and change it back to the language that it was originally set to and type a word in that language, it would then appear as correctly spelled as well. So this feature can be very useful if you ever have to write a document in a language outside of the default setting for your region. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.